All right, so we're out here on Chris' property. I know I talked to you about the hail. We were talking about the size of hail. I have 2 dates for 3/4 of an inch last year. And then we're doing the repair on the barn as you requested. So I just wanted to show you some things. We got a tape here. It's a standard tape. And all these underlines are, to me, what looks like hail. So, what I want to show you real quick is these are measuring up to 3/4 of an inch. And this part of the roof is newer than what's on the house. So I just want to show you here real quick. You come look at this one. 3/4 of an inch is this line right here. That's dead up 3/4 of an inch in diameter. 3/4 of an inch. A little bit smaller than 3/4 there. 3/4 of an inch. And that's where we were talking about that wind speed and density all plays a factor in the size of the hits and what hail can do to a roof. All 3/4. Here's another one. Then circle 3/4 again. So I just wanted to show you that before we start the repair. To me, I'm seeing hail up here. I mean, we got a bunch right here in a good 10-foot area. So I just wanted to show you that before we start the repair. So now we're gonna go ahead and start the repair using a roof snake again. And you, like I said, you already paid for all the metals. So like you said, you believe, hail can't damage a shingle up into a certain size. I mean, I've seen a bunch of things. I've even seen little pea-sized stuff cause damage to roofs. So we're gonna come back here. We're gonna do this repair here. We're gonna go ahead and start this repair. I got some mat transfer there. This thing will just rip right here. A little more mat transfer there. And some creasing starting already. So I'll look under here to make sure. Yeah, we got felt. Feels like OSB. Just wanted to check that. Can you grab me that shingle?
There's a nail kind of straight up under that one little part right there.
I guarantee these are not going to be an Atlas. It's a different shingle than what's on the main house. I can't tell what these are. There's nothing on the ceiling strip. Alright. And then after this repair, I'll go mark up the main house, because you also paid for the box vents and the turbine for hail damage. And I'm guessing it's on that slip that you didn't pay for. So we've already established the repairability of the shingle, so we're gonna have to replace those box vents and that turbine, and those shingles are not flexible enough to do those repairs over there. So I don't know what you want to do about that. because you didn't pay for that slope. So, and you paid for the other slopes off of repairability. So we just wanted to establish that. But I mean, as you can see on this one as well, I haven't even wiped the shingles yet. And you've already gotten some creases going. So you got some bruising right there from the roof snake. Bruising there from the roof snake as well. All right, so as you can see, you already have damage here, here, and here, and there without wiping the shingles. So I just wanted to show that before I do wipe the tops. Again, we wipe the tops to show the loose granules that are there that are going to wash away that nice rainstorm. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Have some more creasing there. Some more creasing there. Creasing there all the way across that shingle. Alrighty, so now from doing that repair, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more damaged shingles from doing this repair. Pretty much the same with the house. So just wanted to showcase that to you guys, show you the hail damage, and then if you want to pan to the roof over there real quick. So you paid for those box vents and that turbine, and you're paying for the other slopes on the other side of the house. And then we're gonna go pull a ridge cap shingle off to see if there is felt overlap right there too, to get that taken care of.